What's up guys, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, my name is Khadija. Welcome to my channel. So we are back with another hair tutorial, and today we are working with LUVME hair. This is their packaging. I'm just going to show you guys what I received in my package. So we received a goodie bag and a wig cap. And this is our wig for today. It is a 13x2 natural Afro curly wig. It is 150% density. This is it. The unit comes pre-plucked and pre-bleached with the strap on already. This is it. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from LUVME hair, their website is also in my description, so go ahead and make your purchase. This is our wig for today. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and jump right into the install. So I won't be wearing a wig cap for today's install. I'm just gonna go ahead and put my wig grip strap on, and then we install our unit. So now I'm just going to go ahead and add some foundation to my lace, but this is what it's looking like without foundation. I'm just going to go ahead and add some foundation, and then we install our unit. Okay guys, so this is what our lace is looking like now that we added the foundation. This is it. Now I'm just going to go ahead and put my wig on. So this is what our wig is looking like. This is it. So now I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. Today I'll be using my Ebin Wonder Lace Bond glue to install my wig. I'm just going to go ahead and install my wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead, tie this down, let it dry, and then we finish styling our wig, but this is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and tie this down. Okay guys, so I just finished cutting the excess lace off, and this is the vibes that we're getting. This is it. I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up my wig. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. This is it. It is given a nice pixie cut curly wig, and I love that about this wig. I love that I actually kept the hairline natural because it makes it look way more realistic than if I had added baby hair to it. So I love that about this wig. It is given natural. It is laid. This is it. So I also added some twists to the front. I really do think, like, personally, I believe that twists look better on curly wigs and curly hair. So I really wanted to keep it super natural, and this was my way of keeping it natural. It's given laid. It is given a nice realistic look, and I love that about this wig. This is it. It is super soft. This is it. This is it. Overall, it is remarkably soft. I love that it comes fully customized. It makes it way easier. And as you can see, it is super versatile. You can wear it like this. You can style it how you want. I love that about this wig. If you want to get this wig, the link is in my description. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase. If you want to get any other products from LUVME here, their website is in my description as well. So go ahead and make your purchase. This is the finished look, and I am in love with this wig. This is it. It is super bouncy, super soft. This is it. Gave us some really nice detailed, kinky looking curls. This is it. Again, this unit is from LUVME here. This is their natural Afro curly wig, and this is what it's looking like. I love how it turned out. It is 100% human hair and 150% density, and this is the vibes that is given. It comes fully customized, ready to be installed, super beginner friendly. This is it. Go ahead and click that link and make your purchase, guys. This is where I leave you guys for today. If you like this video, of course, give it a thumbs up. Leave your comments down below and let me know how you feel about this wig. Most importantly, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in another video.